Principal, on behalf of the school, take the opportunity to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Parvez Ahmed Wani, Divisional Forest Officer, JV Division, Baramulla. Thank you, Mr. Wani, for being with us today. The children are indeed blessed, and I'm sure later when you come and speak to them, they will have a long series of wisdom to take home. Thank you again. We also have with us, as the guest of honor, Mr. Jahangir Rakhu. He is the District Information Officer, Baramulla. We are also blessed, as sir is also one of our parents, esteemed parents, and is always there. Our children to hear our faculty who would be talking about our day. We also have Mr. Tameel Irshad from the print media. Mr. Tameel Irshad, thank you so much for coming to GD GOENKA Public School Days. So let me tell you, it's very, very important because you are the green ambassadors of this planet. You are the stewards who's going to take the environment to the best. We've already done a lot of damage. My generation has done a lot of damage. And we want to pay the remittance for that. And how do we do that? By training you and making.
Let's have fun on this wonderful day. It's Arbor Day. It's Arbor Day. Let's plant more trees with branches.
Principal ma'am, dear teachers, and my proud brothers and sisters.
A very warm good morning to all of you. I'm Mohammad Diyan Zaidar.
I'm Aliha Muzaffar.
May Allah bless you all. As you know, yesterday was Nowruz.
So we both are here in a Kashmiri attire.
First of all, Happy Nowruz to all of you.
Happy Nowruz!
Which will definitely have impact on our future. Dear, we all know that the blue planet, that is Earth, harbors both, but the whole animal life, either directly or indirectly, depends upon the plants for basic needs, that is for water, for air, for soil. If we will not have pure and clean air, if the concentration of oxygen in the atmosphere will not be maintained properly, then the whole animal life on this blue planet will vanish.
The answer is no. अगर थोड़ी देर के लिए अपनी सांस रोकें तो हम क्या पाएंगे? Shall we survive? आप सब जानते हैं, क्या हम सांस लिए बगैर जिंदा रह सकते हैं? गुड। क्या हम पानी पिए बगैर रह सकते हैं? गुड।
इंसान से वही अल्लाह वाले। Respected Chief Guest, Mr. P.A. Wani Saab, Forest Division, Divisional Forest Officer, JV Division, Baramulla. Our guest of honor, Mr. Jahangir Rakhu Saab, District Information Officer, Baramulla. Our Director, GD GOENKA, Raja Zubair Saab. Our Principal Man, Muhtarma Jyoti Gupta ji. Our Administrator, Mr. Sarkar Saab. Electronic and print media persons.
थोड़ा ये हुमस डाल दो, हुमस डाल दो। ज़्यादा नहीं, बस बाकी पौधों में आप डालो दूध।
सब लोग लगाएंगे प्लांट, सबके लिए हमने एक एक पे हर स्टूडेंट के लिए है ना, जितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं सब लगाएंगे, छोटे भी, नर्सरी वाले जो अंदर हैं वो भी।
ये जो प्लांट है,
जरा बच्चों को देखने दो, बच्चों साइड में।
देखिए ये सारा प्लांटेशन ड्राइव स्कूल ने कोलैबोरेट करा है JNK फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट के साथ, और उनका बहुत ही बड़ा योगदान है। हमारे स्कूल में अराउंड 200 सैपलिंग्स डोनेट करके हमारे स्कूल के अराउंड ये सैपलिंग्स लगेगा, बच्चों के हाथ से लगेगा। एंड डेफिनेटली जो मैसेज है आर्बर डे सेलिब्रेशन का कि हर बच्चे को इम्पोर्टेंस जो समझनी है आज के टाइम में प्लांटेशन के लिए एंड गोइंग ग्रीन के लिए, मेरे ख्याल से ये बहुत ही अच्छा जेस्चर रहा है JNK फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट की तरफ से। एंड ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ GD गोएंका पब्लिक स्कूल Baramulla, I want to thank each forest officer who has come here to make it possible. Thank you.